guys, Mel here from Diamonds and Gloss. Today I'm going to show you how to do your nails using our loose glitters. I'm going to be using the holographic glitters just over my client's natural nails. You'll need a base coat, top coat, builder in a bottle, a 180 grit natural nail file, a cuticle pusher, lint-free wipes, your glitter brushes, a UV LED lamp and a cuticle oil to finish. And you'll find these on the website at www.diamondsandglossaustralia.com. Step 1 is nail prep. So we're going to take our cuticle pusher and push back the cuticles and clean the nail plate. So nail prep is a really important step when doing a manicure, because if you don't have clean nails to begin with, your product's just not going to last. So take your time here and do a really thorough job. Next, take a 180 grit natural nail file and file your nails into shape. Now with nail files, the higher the number, the finer the grit. So a 180 grit or higher are perfect for the natural nails. Next is to cleanse and dehydrate the nails using a 50% acetone and a 50% isopropyl alcohol mix. So it's quite easy to make your own mix if you haven't got access to a beauty store. Using a lint-free wipe and some of your solution, wipe over each nail to remove the dust and the oils. And then you'll be ready for step 2, which is our base coat. Now apply a thin layer of base coat to each nail and cure in the LED lamp for 1 minute. A tip when applying your products, apply them to the edge of the nail, and this will help your manicure last a lot longer. Step 3 is glitter, the fun part. So you'll need your glitter and your glitter brushes, and using a small brush, apply the glitter to each nail. Now the glitter is going to stick because once the base coat is cured, it leaves a sticky layer. You need to worry about the mess because the glitter is only going to stick to the base coat. Using a large glitter brush, brush away your excess glitter. Step 4. Now this step is optional, but I like to go in and add a second layer of glitter. Here's another tip when working with glitter. Always check your brush and make sure you clean it before you dip it back into your bottle. So you just need a bit of your solution on a lint-free wipe and gently wipe your brush until it's clean. Add a second layer of glitter. And brush away the excess. Then we're ready for step 5, builder in a bottle. Apply one thin layer of builder in a bottle to each nail and then cure in the LED for 1 minute. Builder in a bottle is a thicker gel that's going to protect your manicure better than if you were to just use a top coat. And another tip when using builder in a bottle is to keep the finger pointing down so that it doesn't run back onto the cuticles. Step 6 is top coat. Now we just need to apply a layer of top coat to the nails and cure in the LED for 1 minute. I like to apply the top coat a little thicker than you usually would for a base coat, and this gives a really nice shiny finish. Step 7 is to wipe. For this step you'll use just isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free wipe to wipe over each nail and remove the tacky layer that's left after curing the top coat. If you don't do this step, you'll be left with sticky nails. And lastly, step 8, our cuticle oil. Apply this around the cuticle area of each finger and gently massage in. This will add some moisture back into the skin and finish off the manicure nicely. And there you have it, a beautiful holographic glitter manicure. Thanks for watching. I'm Mel and I hope to be packing one of your orders soon over at diamondsandglossaustralia.com.